She's back. Yeah.
Don't play with it, don't be dishonest. Still not understanding.
Hey y'all, it's your girl Key and welcome back to another vloggy vlog. Okay y'all, so I'm about to go run some errands. Yeah, and get food, and that's pretty much it. My shirt's here, it's so not for the road anymore, but okay y'all, I am home. People when I'm gonna patch them drop off my face. I don't know when it did, but I figured that out on the train. But anywho y'all, so I'm home and I got Popeyes. I got 6 piece. Can you see? Ooh. I got 6 piece sweet and spicy boneless wings. And I got me a strawberry frozen lemonade. I busted shit down on the train. Now, y'all probably wonder what I got, because I actually didn't vlog much or at all. So I went to, after I got my shoes and food, I went to a dollar store or a convenience store or whatever and got me some chips, a detangling brush because I'm gonna wash my hair this week to redo it. I got me some new toothbrush. If y'all not changing y'all toothbrushes, I don't know what the fuck to tell y'all. Y'all gotta change y'all toothbrush. I think it's every 3 months, and I'm overdue for a change. I'm 1 month overdue for a change. So, and I got me some tights because threw away my tights this morning. And the showstopper. Hold on. The baddest bitch in the fucking land to have ever existed. Y'all, like, forever better. Like, this isn't everyday shoes for me. Like, I get Puma as an everyday shoes for me. I feel like I'm a Dunks girl, even though I only have like 2 pair of Dunks. You know what I'm saying? But Dunks are super cute, and I feel like they go with everything because they got all kind of colors. But Puma is an everyday shoes for me, which is good because y'all ready? Whew, bitch. Hello? Check it the fuck out, bro. Like, y'all, what? Say what? I got myself shoes, bitch. Ooh, bitch. So crazy. I keep buying shoes and I'm not wearing them. That's not true. I just need the right outfit, but period. Okay, y'all, so now I'm about to go watch me some Love Island season 6. I've been loving it, y'all. Ever since Miguel came in the villa, I be eating this shit up. Like, I be eating this shit up. All them motherfuckers, like, everybody from Casa Amor, this is like the Casa Amor episode. Yeah, I'm there. Like, can I see? Casa Amor episode. I don't know if I showed you anything, but yeah, so I'm about to get cracking. Fuck this shit up.
Wrist on, Millie rock, them diamonds on me dance. When you working hard, then your money start expand. I got model bitches wanna lick me like some
Airport for my breakfast. Airport for my breakfast. I don't know nothing about this. Maybe not. Alright. 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 What is this? Say hi to the vlog. Who has no idea what we just endured. Oh my god. For come so far. Roly poly. I'm not even laughing, bro. It's too funny. Okay. See? So we made it, and now we're going to get papaya. Right? Cribble. You want a papaya? For real. Signature hat? Me too. That train ride was so long. It wasn't even an hour anymore. It was like 2 hours because of all of the delay. First, the Q train burned up. I'm gonna say the Q train burned up because I don't know what the hell that was. The tracks didn't catch on fire, I would assume. So we'd have to walk around Ilan Gully ride. Figure catch. We were supposed to catch R, but we caught the end, which was good. But the end carry go around the world and it take pit stops in the middle. I don't know. Piss me off clean. So we made it 5 hours later because it was a drag. And now we're at Popeye's eating before we go on the beach to take pictures and then go back out with that. But I want to sleep.
Spicy sandwich?
That's only.
You felt it, right?
You left the house at 9 something.
Exactly. Exactly. We left the house at 9 something. For it to right. So the color scheme for today is pink and yellow. And for him it's blue and white. Or blue and off-white. I ain't say nothing. But yeah, y'all, that's pretty. What you doing? What you doing? What are you doing? You over here trying to touch my drink.
Big.
Backed, I know. My back is very big. I was gonna get 12 wings, but I said let me not actually be big backed and get half of that.
Sure, it's not 24 at that point.
I'm not gonna eat all 24 wings. Oh, I could eat 12 and then save 12. Because I'm not gonna share. Anyways. I will come back to y'all when we're on the beach. Snapping some pictures. And looking cute. Well, me cute. Shake it up. My brother's a special case, y'all. She said she wished it was 2 Popeyes for breakfast is crazy. How fat can How fat can one be? I know. It's ooh, saucy. It's like no beach bowl. Bro, why would they have Coney Island? And people's stomachs are bigger than the earth itself. I don't understand. That's crazy. Doesn't it looks fun?
It's so boring when there's no one already on it.
It won't be boring if it was in Final Destination. Hey, hey,
You give me more
hey,
glass so I
hey,
can
hey, 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 giddy, giddy, hey, 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 woo. All right.
The emptiest I've seen cognac.
Because it's a weekday. I'd question it if it wasn't empty. Because why the fuck are all y'all here? But let's go. Let's go take our picture. Let's get it away. They say what they gotta say. Have a drink. Bad bitches like me. It's hard to come back. Get patrol. Let's get it.
Who made that song again?
Nikki. Make a who?
Saying it.
No? We are at the beach, y'all.
That nigga's playing on his own.
I'm curious to know. I'm curious to know who
I
becomes.
like the fit, my guy.
Thank you.
Your girl too, man. That's your girlfriend.
No, it's sister.
Oh, okay. Sorry.
Don't be weird now. My lad, you too big. You got people think I'm your girl.
Yo, I'm about to shake myself.
My lad, that's too big. The pussy class. Oh. I told you.
No, I didn't have any sandals. Sandals to match the fit.
You can walk in your socks, you know, or take off your shoes and hold them in your hands.
Get on my shoes when I put it back inside. Why am I shoes? I said the sun.
What is this?
Right. Right. I said the sand's not hot. There's someone to pour for something.
What is this? The sun just busted her ass out for no reason. Who asked for her? Trying to be a supportive sister. Okay, y'all. I am home. I am tired, and my phone is on 6%. Oh no, water. So the whole goal of today was to go to the beach and take pictures. I did that. I feel like I accomplished a lot today, which I did. And now I'm going to cut out the curly parts out of my hair because tomorrow is wash day and then Friday is my hair appointment. And I'm probably like, girl, I never stay here. Fact. I just did my hair. Just did my hair. But even if it's my scalp, right, you know, I understand why I'm making hair done again. And I have work at US Open next week. I'm gonna have to look fresh. So the goal was to keep this hair going until September, but my scalp are itch. My scalp are mashed up right now. So yeah, I need to take them out. So I'm going to do that. I bought some fries from Popeyes. And I got me some oatmeal cookie. I'm not gonna do that and watch Love Island because the reunion will come up and I need to finish watch the show before the reunion touchdown, you understand? So yeah, I'm gonna do all of that, and yeah, I had a great day. The train ride alone did take up the one of the day because we left the house after 9 and we reached there after 11. Then we left there after 12 and got home after 1. So we literally only spent 20 minutes at the beach. Not even, but yeah.
Yeah, go like a star. Come to the top of the car. Don't abide by the law. You don't know what I done saw. Can't live without it. I keep it stick for the wall. Chase I deposit. Money just stick with the boy.
A lot of model bitches check for me. Nigga don't check for me unless you got checks for me. I kept a stick like a hobo, no checking me. Way back when Kilo had the spot in Treasure Street. So many hoes had to get up. I said.
Hey y'all, so today is Thursday and I'm washing my hair. I'm not happy. I mean, I am, but I'm not, because I'm looking in the sink where I just detangled my hair and I feel like my hair still needs to be detangled. And y'all, the fucking, I don't understand. Like, This is a lot of my hair. I have sentimental issues, sentimental attachments to my hair. I'm about to throw this shit in the trash. I mean, what else was I going to do with it? It's just so fucking, like, I get so sad when that many, like, that's a lot of dead hair. You know what I'm saying? And I've only had the braids for, like, I want to say a month. Really? Yeah, I've had it for, like, a month. And for that much, like, dead hair to result, like, I mean, my hair grows fast anyway, so I shouldn't even be surprised. I should not be this surprised, but I'm always surprised. Okay, so this is the, I'm using the Camisole shampoo because I got a condition. I think I mentioned this 2 videos ago. And like, I have to wash my hair once every week to make sure that the problem doesn't occur. But because I had my braids in for like a month, the problem came back. And it's gonna come back again after I get my hair done again, but it's fine. So currently washing my hair now. I'm about to wash it out, and it literally only takes me 15 minutes to blow it out. But yeah, I'm tired. I should have been washed my hair this morning. I don't know what happened. I was watching Love Island and I got carried away. But yeah, this is the update though, honestly. I'm just gonna wash out my hair, probably show y'all when I blow it out, and carry on about my day.
Make you pay, rich, get you both. Gave a Billy to valet and let that try to bump. Let me pop off, leave the club, sloppy drunk, come home and get my rocks out.
Hey y'all, I'm back home, and this is my hair. I'm going to insert a picture of the inspo. And yeah, people, I'm not lying to you right about now. Open so. Up this so. The hair is not tight. It's not tight. It's just, how am I supposed to describe this? Okay, so like when she da part the ear, if it come up with all of the merry-go-round, the constant scraping off my scalp for go around and then just start, you know what I say, it's just a constant. And I feel like up here so it's very tender, so now I have a very tender headache. Yeah, but nevertheless, I'm cute, I feel cute. I cannot fucking wait, you know what I'm saying? And my friend, I just call my friend, she's more like a sister at this point. And the way the girl go on the phone, she's like in that area. She said forget all my hairstyles before it is. This one is the one. This one's the one. I was like, okay. Clock that T. And I actually feel like it's me. You know what I'm saying? It gives. But yeah, I'm just waiting on my food. I'm about to tie this shit up real quick. Wait on my food to go eat something, watch some Love Island until I knock out. I really can't right now, you know what I'm saying? So I'm gonna just talk to y'all tomorrow. Bonjour. Yo, I have that brewing on my fucking, yo, I can't. I really can't. But let me show y'all what I got from Target, because I had to go get some stuff. Tell me why before I left the house, my water had ice in it. A nice fat ice in there, right? That before I even got to the train station. Anyways, y'all, I was hearing things. But so what was I saying? Train of thought left me. But yeah, I went to Target and I got me. So I have a question for CBS. The things that y'all be selling in the store, what the fuck what were they made from? Because why am I going to Target and I'm seeing the same things way cheaper? CVS, who do you think you are? Just answer that question. Like, who do you think you are? But anyways, I got me some patches. I've always wanted to try them. I've never tried them. I want to try them. And these were $8.99 in Target. I don't know how much these are at CVS. $15. Why? I personally don't know. But yeah, I got me something for my eyebrows because, as you can see, I have none. I also got, hold up. Oh, I got me another butter gloss, and I got creme brulee, period, and a little feminine stuff. And that's pretty much it, though. I don't know why this was taking so long. But anyways, y'all, why am I keep hearing things? I'm about to do something else, and then I'm gonna see y'all later when I'm getting ready for our family dinner. I swear I'm hearing things. Okay, y'all, so we're currently getting ready. I am all kinds of excited.
This not a joke. Say she got a pop, imaginary smoke. Set it up, then put it on the floor.
I have my top on. I open the nose, everything come from SHEIN. I don't love about SHEIN.
Imaginary smoke. Set it up, then put it on the floor. I don't know what y'all been told.
I mean, with the light focus on me, and you obviously can see if I'm up close, you can tell that I'm wearing them. I might just take them off for recording purposes, or when I take picture. I'm so anxious. Let me go on date with man. I'm anxious as fuck, y'all.
It's gonna fall off. I hate to bring you bad news. So many reds, a bitch can't even see the floor. From Atlanta.
Oh, so my body ready already. Shit.
Let me pop off. Leave the club, sloppy drunk, come home and get my rocks out. Heard from the south, he tryna see me knock his socks off. Told him, meet me at the top, think they got lost. I'm on go like Riz. She thought I would kiss her, she must ain't took a mix. Around my neck, it cuffs arm and leg. Swear they said for life, I let them give me preg. I done it all, feel like shot it low. Left me to the pain, but this not a joke. Say she got a pop, imaginary smoke. Set it up, then put it on the floor. I done it all, feel like shot it low. Left me to the pain, but this not a joke. Say she got a pop, imaginary smoke. Set it up, then put it on the floor. I don't know what y'all been told. Bitch, your man know if you don't, what's happening? Smoking on that gas, doing biggest color right. It's like the run ain't out, but I'm the type to run a fade. When your diamonds hit like this, let me pop off. Leave the club, sloppy drunk, come home and get my rocks out. Heard from the south, he tryna see me knock his socks off. Told him, meet me at the top, think they got lost. I'm on go like Riz. She thought I would kiss her, she must ain't took a mix. Around my neck, it cuffs arm and leg. Swear they said for life, I let them give me bread. I done it out, feel like shot it low. Left me to the pain, but this not a joke. Say she got a pop, imaginary smoke. Set it up, then put it on the floor. I done it out, feel like shot it low. Left me to the pain, but this not a joke. Say she got a pop, imaginary smoke. Set it up, then put it on the floor. I don't know what y'all been told. Bitch, your man know if you don't, what's happening? Smoking on that gas, doing biggest color right. It's like the run ain't out, but I'm the type to run a fade. When your diamonds hit like this, let me pop off. Leave the club, sloppy drunk, come home and get my rocks out. Heard from the south, he tryna see me knock his socks off. Told him, meet me at the top, think they got lost. I'm on go like Riz. She thought I would kiss her, Listen to the pain, but she is not a joke. Say she got a pop, imaginary smoke. Set it up, then put it on the floor. I don't know what y'all been for.
Beautiful girl. Hey y'all, it's your girl Key, and I'm currently editing right now. This is future me editing the vlog right now. Like, I'm not even lying to y'all, I'm currently editing. And I just remembered that I didn't do an outro, so I'm gonna just record this real quick and drop a little outro in there. I don't know what the context of this vlog is. Like, it was just like a whole, because my whole week I was doing something, and I just felt like, you know what, since I'm doing something every day this week, let me just pick up my phone and just record little bits and pieces of my day and just give y'all one big summer vlog, because that week was the most I ever did anything. And yeah, so the vlog is currently 26 minutes. After this outro, it's probably gonna be like 27 minutes. But let me shut up, get back to editing, and I'm gonna see y'all in the next one. Hope y'all enjoyed. Love you.